Hi everyone, I'm Jason. In today's video, not only are we going to be testing, we're going to set up this all new Creality Falcon A1. This is a laser cutter and engraver. And this one here is supposed to be a game changer. So let's get to it. Okay, so this is Creality's newest model. It's the Falcon A1. This one here, really supposed to be a game changer. Not only does it do laser cutting, it also does engraving. And the software is supposed to be very user-friendly, which we're going to be testing out as well. So let's open this up. Okay, so here it is out of the box. Just so you guys know, with the packaging, this thing weighs about 40 pounds. This is actually really well built. So here's your exhaust. So here's all your connections here on the side. And you do have an emergency stop. Okay, let's check out, see what's inside it. Open up the lid. So here's our power supply. Here's our connections. There's a brush, wires, C. There's a key for the lock. Here's our manual. Quite a bit of information there. As you guys can see, it's pretty thick. Our plug for our transformer. Comes with the holes for the vent that's in the back. So what you want to do is extend this out to a window, to a door. Depending on what you're cutting, you really need this. I believe this is the air pump. Get rid of the rest of the foam. They also send you a backboard so we could test it. Okay, so we got rid of all this stuff. Now let's set up the rest of the equipment. Okay, let's hook up the accessories. So here's the vacuum hose. So here's the holes in the back. Here's our ring. Just pop it through there. If you don't have a Phillips screwdriver, it actually comes with one. Okay, once we finish hooking up the exhaust fan, the other end, just stick it out the window. So over here, got the air pump. Remove this little cap. Came with the holes. Put one end on here. The other end goes right here. The wire for the pump. Power. Right here. Key. Make sure the emergency stop is out. Okay, next step, we have to download the software from their site. I already downloaded it. Let's open it up. Okay, so now we have to pick our model. Here it is, Falcon A1. Okay, so it gives you a quick guide, I guess, how to connect it. Mine's already all set up, so next step. Okay, so turn it on, then connect the USB-C. Let's do that now. Okay, turn the key to the unlock position. Turn the machine on. Pump automatically turns on. We got some airflow inside there. Okay, device is connected. Next step. Equipment test. So we're popping in the piece of wood that was supplied. So here's the piece that comes with it. As you can see, this one's for engraving and cutting 1 to 3 millimeters, cutting 4 to 6 millimeters, and cutting 6 millimeters. I'm going to place it over here. I'll loosen the 2 screws. I'll lay it on top. Tighten it back up. Remove the piece. And now we're going to do frame. Okay, now we could go to start. Now we have the test completed and we have a nice F over there. Okay, let's check this out. As you guys can see, it's actually not bad. It looks like there's a little bit of burning. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the honeycomb to see if we don't get much burning. Okay, this is cool. So it looks like there's a whole bunch of free stuff you can make with this thing. Let's go down the list. Let's check this out. A lot of 3D stuff. Oh, look at that. That looks like glass. So you could etch glass as well. Because keep in mind, this is not just a laser cutter, it's also an engraver. So it actually shows quite a bit of material that it does stuff on here too. So that looks like leather. There's a patch. There's a keychain. That's a leather keychain. So look, you can even engrave it on there. Looks like plastic. I don't know if that's metal. So let's pick one from this list just to test out the machine. I want to see how it cuts. So I want one that will cut and engrave. Go back up. I saw something. Looks like it'll be simple. Okay, this one right here. I'm going to try this one. Click on it. All right, make it. All right, so it's right here. So this way, it looks like it's already all calibrated. So over here we got line engraving, line cutting, and fill engraving. And it looks like it's already all preset. Okay, so it's connected. Auto plane, auto position. So let's hit frame. Okay, we have it framed. Now let's hit start. Okay, it's finished. Let's check it out. Okay, all right. Obviously this is the scrap, but as you guys can see, it's actually nice clean cuts. Here's one piece. Not bad. It's a little bit of burn marks here. This side's actually pretty clear, so it could be just calibration. We'll fix this. Gotta play with the settings a bit more. Other than that, really clean. Look at the detail on that. Same thing on this one. Really nice detail. Once again, there's a little bit of burn marks over here, but it looks like it's all to the right side. So to me, it could be calibration. This one here too. See, right, the left side is actually perfect. So I got to do some adjustments on there. But the cut is really, really clean. Super nice clean cut. No burn marks on the surface. Very smooth. That part there, very, very impressed. So once you dial this down, it'll probably be perfect. Okay, so over here, this is where you could find all the materials that's compatible with this laser. So here's all the different type of woods that is compatible. So here's all your other options. So if I click on here, there's bamboo, paper. This is your plexiglass. Here's the metals, leather, perfume bottles, and here's your other ones as well, and here's other. As you guys can see, there's a lot of material that you can use this laser on. So once again, you could do laser or engraving. This truly is a user-friendly product. All you do is plug it in, set it all up. It comes with everything you need just to get it going, with quite a bit of samples as well. I have to test it with different products. I have to play with the camera setting a little bit more. I'm still going to be playing around with it. I want to test it with different products and stuff as well. So there you guys have it. So this is the Creality Falcon A1. If you guys are interested in this laser, I will have a link in the description where to get it. If you guys have any questions, please put it below. You like this video, give me those thumbs up. You want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.